Meet Megan Sittler. She is a domestic water wastewater management specialist for Nebraska Extension. It's Megan's job to keep people informed about water management practices and how to best maintain and conserve our water supply. Megan is a graduate of the University of Nebraska-Lincoln with a master's degree in natural resources and a minor in environmental planning and public policy. Her main goal is to develop partnerships between associations such as the Well Drillers Association, the Department of Health and Environmental Quality, and the Department of Health and Human Services. Megan says the partnership will focus on different types of water, such as drinking water, well water, and wastewater. Megan travels around the state of Nebraska delivering educational programming and connects Nebraska Extension's mission to engage communities in science-based programs and information about water conservation. She does trainings for wastewater associations and also speaks to classes and community groups about water management practices, current water issues, and resources. Approximately 30% of our water resources are in the hands of individuals on a very direct basis. That large portion of the state has the possibility of contaminating their own drinking water supply, which would increase contamination of our groundwater resources, such as the Ogallala Aquifer, which is one of the world's largest aquifers. It underlies an area of approximately 174,000 square miles in the Great Plains, and $20 billion per year in food and fiber depend on the aquifer. If drained, it would take more than 6,000 years to refill the aquifer naturally. We want to have everyone taking care of that potential contamination source for their own health and take care of the groundwater resources to benefit the environment, Megan says. Megan's efforts to start a statewide water partnership will have a positive impact on the understanding of Nebraska's unique water context, water quality research, public outreach, and education for improving the future of the state's water supply. Megan herself learns from professional associations to keep up to date on the latest information about protecting water quality and utilizing new technologies. In Nebraska, we are fortunate to have a huge amount of groundwater resources and a relatively large amount of water surface resources, and all of those have been impacted by us. From a quantity standpoint, Megan thinks that the state is on a good track to try to help address and manage our resources properly. Her challenge is to get more people to understand water conservation and how they can help with this issue. Everyone plays a vital role in ensuring that our water resources are protected from a quantity and quality standpoint. How we use our own water matters for the environment around us and for the overall health and well-being of the water resources across the state of Nebraska. For more information about Nebraska Extension or Nebraska's water system, be sure to visit www.water.unl.edu.